Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about another AWS video in which I will be showing you that how you can attach the EBS volume to multiple instances. So this is the video that I'm going to show you. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that I'm currently present in the instances page, and these are the two instances that I created earlier, but now I terminated it. So let's create another instance and I will show you the whole process of it, that how you can attach it to two instances will be attached to EBS volume, one EBS volume, right? So let's give it a name like EBS like volume, right? So EBS volume is the name of the instance. Now take the machine like Ubuntu, and after that this is the T2 micro that I'm going to be selecting, but after that I will be selecting another instance type. But now I'm just going to show you that what will happen if you select the T2 micro, right? So let's insert the key pair, the previous one that I selected, like created earlier. Now let's give the network. This is the network, same. This is the, what you can say, subnet, public 2, right? So I will select public 1 AP South 1, right? Now let's auto assign the public IP, make it enable, and yeah, all the things will be the same. This is the root volume that will be attached by default. It is the 8 GB. I'm not going to delete it because this is the pre-default one. So I'm not going to create another volume. Instead, what I will do here, I will just create two instances. The first one will be the EBS volume 1. The second one will be the EBS volume 2 with the instance type to T2 micro. So yeah, these are some of the details that you need to keep in mind. So let's click on this launch instance. So it will take me some time in order to launch these two instances. So as you can see here, they are initiated. Now let's refresh them. And now you can see here that this is the EBS volume 1, EBS volume 2. So I'm going to name them properly because these are the same name like EBS volume and volume, right? So I'm going to name them by 1 and 2. So let's write this one also like this, EBS volume 2. So let's press enter there. So now you can see here that these are the two instances that are currently running, and it will take me some time in order to initialize. Like the first one is initializing, the second one is initializing, so it will take me some time. So yeah, these are these are the status of it, and they are going to be initialized. So if I like scroll here, like yeah, there is no details here. So let me just go to the volumes, so to see that how many volumes are present. So if I refresh this, you will see that these are the two volumes that are created by default. Like one is for the this one is for the EBS volume 1, and this one is for the EBS volume 2, right? So these are the default volumes that are created, and they are in use, means they are attached to these EC2 instances. So let's say if I want to create another volume, and that volume will be attached to the two instances, right? Let's create another volume, and now if I want to do, let's say this volume type is going to be I need to select another volume type that is going to be provisioned IOPS SSD, so IO2. So this is going to be IO2 volume type that will be selected, because if I select this IO2, it will give me this enable multi attach, right? So let's say if I select this GP3, it will not give me this option of multi attach. So I need to attach this volume to multiple instances. This is the reason that I'm going to select this IO2 in order to attach this volume to multiple instances. So let's enable this. And now let's give the, what you can say, the size of it. Let's say 5 GB. All right. So yeah, I'm not going to increase the size of it, just for the testing purpose. And now let's create this. All right. So it will take me some time in order to create this volume, and once this volume is created, I will be able to attach it. So let's take a look at, first of all, let's create this. Now you can see here that this is available. So let's create this, click on this, and now let's click on this attach, right? So if I want to attach it, I will simply click on this EBS volume 1, this is the EBS volume 2. So I will first of all attach it with the EBS volume 1 and then EBS volume 2. So let's give the device name, like this is going to be let's say SDG, right? So I can name it and attach volume. Now you can see here that this is the message it is showing me, that this is multi-attach enabled and T2 micro does not support multi-attach enabled volumes. So yeah, this is the point that you need to keep in mind, that T2 micro is not able to support the multi-attach volume. It means that the volume, the multi-attach volume, cannot be given to the T2 micro instances. So yeah, if I want to attach this EBS volume to the instance, I need to change the instance type. If I change the instance type from T2 to T3, then I will be able to attach this. So yeah, this was the point that I was talking about, that you need to keep this in mind, that which instance type that I'm selecting. So let's go to the instance again. And now the thing that I'm going to show you, let's refresh them. Now they are running. So in while they are running, I'm not able to change the instance type. If I show here, like you can see here that this is the where is the instance type? Yeah, this is the instance type that it is showing me, but I'm not able to change it. Why? Because I need to stop this first of all, these instances, and once they are stopped, I will be able to what you can say, change the instance type. So let's select them, and now let's stop the instance. Now it will take me some time in order to stop those instances, and once they are stopped, after that I will be able to change the instance type. So let's wait for this, refresh this again. Yeah, it will take me some time in order to stop it. So let's wait it. Now you can see here that they are stopped, and let's select them one by one. First of all, I will start from this EBS volume 2, right? So let's click on this what you can say, action, and once the action is done, let's click on this instance settings, and now let's change the instance type. Now I need to change it from T2 micro to T3 micro, and now once T3 micro is selected, it will give me all the details, that how many per hour it will charge you, and what are the number of CPUs, memories, and all of these things they will give you. So yeah, after that apply it. So it will take some time, so let's wait for this. Similar case with the what you can say, EBS volume 2 also. I will change the instance what you can say, action. I will go to the action, instance settings, and change after that T3 micro, right? So let's select this T3 micro, apply it. So now they are done. Let's take a look at them. You can see here that if I zoom in, you will see that these are relevant to the T3 micro. This is T3 micro, right? So I need to again run them, right? Like this. Let's select them, and once I select it, I will start the instance. So yeah, it will take me some time in order to start these instances. So let's wait for them. Now you can see here that they are running, and if I go to the volume again, and this time if I select this IO2 EBS volume, and if I what you can say, go to the action, attach it, and after attaching it, I will attach first of all EBS volume 1 and then EBS volume 2. So yeah, give the device name SDG, attach volume. Now this time it will not give me the error. So again select this volume, again go to the action, again attach the volume. This time it is going to be EBS volume 2 SDG. Yep, the device name will be the same, right? So now as you can see here that it is in use, And if I go here, you will see that previously these were the instances that were attached to individual resources, but now this EBS volume is selected in and attached to two instances. If I select them, you will see that this is the instance ID and this is the instance ID. Both of them are different, but they are attached to this same and one EBS volume. So yeah, after that, if you want to store the data in this EBS volume, you can access it from both of the instances. Like you can select access the data of the EBS of this EBS volume from the instance 1 and instance 2. All right, so the from both of the instances you can select the data of this EBS volume. So if I go to the instance again in order to show you, and let's go to the, what you can say, select this, connect it, and after that let's go to here. It will open it for me, but first of all let's go to the second instance. Right, so it will take me some time. So yeah, now let's what you can say, connect this one also, and now let's connect this. And yeah, it will take me some time in order to establish the connection. Once the connection is established, I will show you that. Let's say this is the EBS volume 1, right? As you can see here, this EBS volume 1. If I clear this ls block, you can see here that this is the volume that is attached. And similar case with the instance 2 also. If I select this, this is the EBS volume 1. Sorry. EBS volume 1, both of the volumes are like the same volume. So let's go back, and maybe I have made some mistake, so let's select them. So let's select this one, and now let's connect it, connect this EBS volume 2. Now you can see here, if I clear this ls block, you will see that this is the disk that is selecting to me. So yeah, this is the EBS volume 2 and this is the EBS volume 1, and in both of the what you can say, in both of the instances the same EBS volume is present. All right, so if the data is present here, you can access the data from this instance, and you can also access the data from this instance. So yeah, this was the thing that I was talking about, that how you can what you can say, select the what you can say, access the EBS volume from both of the instances. So yeah, now what I need to do, I need to terminate these instances because I don't need it. And if I delete those instances, you will see that, let's terminate this one also. And yeah, if I delete these instances, you will see that these are the volumes that also be deleted, right, except this volume. So I need to delete this volume like this. So first of all, I need to detach it, and then I will be able to what you can say, delete it. So it will take me some time in order to delete it. So let's take a look at them. Yeah, so until it is deleted, I will close this video, because the video is now going to be completed. What step is remaining? You just need to detach it, or if the detach option is not present, you simply need to delete it. All right, so this is the delete volume. So yeah, I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.